Stop! They just keep coming.
So what video did we just get done watching? Huh? Somebody want to say it? What, Sarah? What's the matter? The Family Stone.
The mom died, guys. It's sad.
What about you, Miss Amanda? You okay?
That reminds me of my family. One of them's got to be.
We must be heartless bitches. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, look at you. Sure you're okay, Sarah?
No, I'll never be okay. Never.
Oh.
I was crying halfway through the movie.
Yeah, we noticed. It's okay. Okay.
It has funny parts, but then, oh my god. I'm so happy that they got a kid, though.
Look how she's pouting. We're so evil. I'm like this. Okay. You gonna be okay?
Eventually.
Can you hold that movie, Stephanie, so people know that it's evil? Please do not buy this movie unless you're watching it with Sarah. This is the result right here. And this.
I'm okay then.
You okay? Look at that. Oh, she's kind of smiling. Okay, we're done.